when the regulars came, when you guys came, you saved us.
Sino nang napagtripa ng libro ni Edward tungkol sa pag-aaral ng lengguaheng Tagalog?
The sound of O in oso. You know also bear. Yeah, bear. I want a cold bear. A cold bear. When you drink a bear, it's very delicious when your birthday. Ay, i-use mo para maturuan kita, Edward.
Sige, tulong
Yung mga Tagalog words, use it in the sentence. Here's your teacher 101. You call me Mr. Miyagi. Okay, say Tagalog! Okay.
Exercise.
Ama.
That
is a father. Ikaw din ha, Tanner ha. We will teach you how to kung fu din ha.
This is an exercise for
This is a kung fu Tagalog.
Ang ama ko ay 59.
Nice, very good. Very good. How about you, Tanner?
Sa ama ko nakatira sa Colorado.
You use ang aking ama.
Ang aking ama. Ang aking ama nakatira sa Colorado.
Kami naman, gamitin nyo to. Salawan.
Salawal.
You know what salawan? Short.
Short. Like,
Use salawan.
Sentence.
walang salawal sa mali.
Tanner, the word is salawal.
Salawan.
Shorts. Like
Shorts?
pants shorts.
Ang aking salawa ay
Tuturuan natin.
basa.
Basa.
My shirt is wet. Because I fart. There's something wrong. And I knew it, but it's too late.
Dodong! Kadiri! Asa naman